Welcome to this video on popular tools in business analysis. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the importance of business analysis tools and identify the popular tools used in this field. You will also be able to explore how each tool type contributes to various aspects of business analysis. Emma, a seasoned business analyst, is tasked with leading a project for a fast-growing e-commerce company. As she begins, she realizes the challenges, such as conflicting stakeholder requirements, outdated processes, poor communication, and underutilized customer data, all of which threaten to hinder the project's success. How do you think Emma can tackle these issues? By utilizing the right business analysis tools, Emma can effectively streamline stakeholder alignment, optimize workflows, enhance team communication, and uncover valuable insights from data, ultimately overcoming the project's challenges and ensuring its success. When choosing tools for business analysis, it is important for you to consider your project-specific requirements and any guidelines or methodologies. As a business analyst, you'll need to master a variety of tools to manage requirements, model processes, analyze data, and handle projects effectively. Additionally, you should continuously learn and keep up with the latest tools and technologies in the business analysis field. To stay effective in your role as a business analyst, it's essential to familiarize yourself with various types of tools that support different aspects of your work. These include requirements gathering and management tools, modeling and diagramming tools, data analysis and reporting tools, project management tools, communication and collaboration tools, and Agile and DevOps tools. Requirements gathering and management tools are essential for business analysts to document, track, and manage requirements effectively. These tools include Jira, primarily a project management tool that excels in tracking requirements, user stories, and tasks, particularly in agile settings. Additionally, leveraging a tool called Confluence complements Jira by providing a space to store requirements, meeting notes, and project documentation. Furthermore, Microsoft Visio is often used for creating flowcharts and visual representations of requirements and business processes, enhancing clarity and communication. Next are the modeling and diagramming tools, which aid business analysts in visualizing processes, data flows, and system architectures. Lucidchart is a web-based tool with AI features, ideal for creating flowcharts, ER diagrams, wireframes, and more, with strong collaboration capabilities. Draw.io is another popular tool known for its simplicity and integration with platforms like Google Drive, allowing users to create various diagrams, including flowcharts and process models. Additionally, Glyphy is popular for its ease of use in creating flowcharts, network diagrams, and UML diagrams, and integrates well with platforms like Jira and Confluence. Further, data analysis and reporting tools are crucial for business analysts to interpret large data sets and generate actionable insights. Microsoft Excel remains a go-to tool for sorting, filtering, and analyzing data, leveraging features like pivot tables and charts. Tableau provides interactive dashboards and handles large data sets effectively, with AI-driven visualization options. Further, Power BI, a robust Microsoft tool, integrates AI for creating interactive reports and dashboards, offering a user-friendly interface and smooth integration with other Microsoft applications. Google Looker delivers advanced data exploration and visualization with AI capabilities, integrating smoothly with Google Cloud and various data sources. Project management tools are also vital, helping business analysts manage tasks, timelines, resources, and communication. Microsoft Project provides a comprehensive suite for planning, tracking, and managing projects, complete with Gantt charts and resource management features. Trello, with its automation tool Butler, offers a simple, visual approach to project management using boards and cards, making it popular in agile environments for managing sprints and workflows. Asana is another flexible tool that supports task management, project progress tracking, and team collaboration. Next, communication and collaboration tools play a crucial role in ensuring seamless communication. Slack, a messaging platform, facilitates real-time communication with channels, direct messages, and file sharing. It integrates Gen AI through Slack GPT to enhance interactions and automate tasks. Microsoft Teams combines chat, video meetings, file storage, and app integration with Copilot AI to streamline workflows and boost productivity, particularly for Microsoft users. Zoom is essential for virtual meetings and collaboration, especially for remote teams. Microsoft PowerPoint is a key tool for creating presentations to share project updates, requirements, and findings, effectively communicating information to stakeholders. Finally, in Agile and DevOps environments, specific tools assist business analysts in managing iterative processes. Jira Agile is instrumental in managing sprints, backlogs, and user stories, and integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian products. Version 1 supports Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban, offering versatility in project management. Trello is known for its simplicity and flexibility, using boards, lists, and cards to manage Agile workflows and track project progress. Furthermore, Rally provides comprehensive Agile project management, aiding in planning, tracking, and managing iterations and deliverables, with strong support for large-scale enterprise frameworks. In this video, you learned how the different types of business analysis tools are crucial for effectively managing and executing projects. These tools include requirements management tools, which are key for efficiently tracking and managing project requirements. Modeling and diagramming tools, vital for visualizing and mapping processes and systems. Data analysis and reporting tools, which allow you to interpret data and create insightful reports. Project management tools aiding in planning, executing, and monitoring project progress. Communication and collaboration tools, enhancing teamwork and ensuring seamless interaction among team members. Agile and DevOps tools, which support iterative development and integration practices.